Sun is shining on my face.
मैम आगे आ जाओ, आगे आगे आगे
थोड़ा पीछे आओ, तुम लोग पीछे आओ।
अरे फिर भी आ रहा है और ज्यादा है, फिर भी आ रहा है।
जूम कर लेना। लुक हियर प्लीज। मैम इनटू माय सेंटर। एक सेंटर। मैम यहाँ पे इधर देखा ही नहीं मैम आपने।
So I'll start from.
जी जी इधर। जी थोड़ा टर्न हो जाइए ना। जी वन मोर। जी लुक हियर प्लीज मैम हियर। जी थोड़ा इधर टर्न हो जाइए। जी सामने। ये क्या मैम एक बार टर्न हो जाइए।
अब थोड़े अंदर ले लेंगे।
चलो यहाँ पर आ गए वापस। दीदी जी वन मोर। मेरे को देख लो। दीदी जी टर्न किया। यहाँ पर थोड़ा जाइए। थोड़ा शेड में शेड और हर आगे कैसे जाएगा तो हटा भाई उनको आवेगा ना। डन डन जाने दो एकता मैम लुक हियर प्लीज। मैम मिया मैम टू योर लेफ्ट। मैम आपके लेफ्ट में एकता जी।
मैम लेफ्ट में
अमेजिंग आउटफिट। मैम इधर देखिए ना।
नहीं सुनी भाई।
एकता जी यहाँ देखिए ना।
मैम लेफ्ट में
मैम हमारा भाई ना फोटो मारना। एकता जी साथ में जाइए ना।
पीछे पीछे
लुक स्ट्रेट
यहाँ
पर देखिए ना। क्या कर रहे हैं यार, फोन और कैमरा में कर रहे हैं। दोनों से करना।
Let's hear it for Nitesh Bharti. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. यार ये कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. Please इसको मिटाओ मत, ऐसे ही रहने दो. But welcome again, and it's so good to see all of you back. The Married Woman, my God. मतलब जब भी मैं Old Balaji and Z5 का content देखती हूँ, I'm just shocked. I'm just surprised. Every time there is something that is better than what they've done before, and that's exactly what we expect out of The Married Woman. मतलब लोग पूछते हैं प्यार क्या है? कैसे मालूम पड़ता है कि वो है बंदा या वो है बंदी तुम्हारे लिए? What to do when you find love? बहुत सारे सवाल, बहुत सारी love stories, and ऐसी एक कहानी है आस्था and पीपलिका की in The Married Woman. So without delaying this further, the person who is one of my most favorite people in the industry. Every time I meet her, I learn something new. Matlab, I can just start with zillions of questions. Talk about television, talk about movies. Matlab, she's killing it now in the digital space. Ekta Kapoor, how are you doing this? Let's hear it for Ekta Kapoor, guys. Looking forward to this show, ma'am. I would also like to welcome Juggernaut Production CEO Samar Khan. Thank you, sir, for coming here. The lead of the show, Riddhi Dogra, where are you? There she is. Let's hear it for Riddhi. Rahul Vora, sir. Nadira Babbar, ma'am. Suhas Ahuja. Dian, where is Dian? Little Dian, are you here? He's on his way. Let's hear it for the cast, the team of The Married Woman. अच्छा, अब हम questions करेंगे इनके साथ. Sahir Raza is also here. Where is he? Yeah, Sahir Raza, the man who's responsible for this. Let's hear it for Sahir Raza. मतलब सवाल बहुत सारे हैं टीम के लिए करने के लिए, but उससे पहले ट्रेलर देख लें. So, let's watch the trailer of The Married Woman. Let's hit it, guys. Ekta ma'am, Samar Khan, Nadira Babbar, Suhas Ahuja, the anchor of the ship, Sahir Raza sir, Dian. And there's also a surprise. Monica is not here with us, but she's joined us on a call from LA. So Monica, Ekta ma'am, ये जो story है, of course, it's based on a book and it's in the 90s जो ये based है. And of course, we're in 2021. अभी भी it is so relevant, but challenges क्या थे and why? Why did you decide to do this? The Married Woman, why this story?
You read a book, you like it, and then you want to make it into a show. I think probably many years ago I met Manjuji for Custody. I thought this was a great book, but there was no way I could do it on television or film. Waited for a medium to come which gives birth to individual viewing and lets content come out in such a way that people can consume it at their choice. This was probably the show that was waiting to be made, and digital was the medium, and I wanted it to be on my platform.
So every time also being a radio jockey, music is just so important, and you're one person who has that ear for music. Every time I come for a launch, there's a new song. And this particular show का भी गाना जो मैं सुन रही हूँ मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है loop पे. इसके पीछे भी एक कहानी है. आप प्लीज बताइए ये क्या है कहानी and ये गाना कैसा है?
कहानी नहीं है. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Actually, I think I heard this song. A friend of mine made me hear it during lockdown, and I just loved it because it was pretty much what we all were going through. And I was like, we're making this show, so let's buy it for the platform.
Which is amazing. And now I'm going to go to the anchor of the ship, Sahir sir. Okay, so I asked Ekta ma'am, of course, the challenges of actually taking a 90s story back now in time. So what was it? What were the things that you faced while making The Married Woman?
Okay. The challenges are creating the look and feel of the 90s, right? My actors kind of dived into that world. Very fortunately, Riddhi's already from Delhi. Rahul sir spent a lot of time in Delhi as well in the theatre circles. Nadira ma'am is from everywhere. Suhas also captured Delhi from the 90s really well for us. The rest of it was creating a look and feel for which we had a fantastic art and costume team. And now music and sound design are just adding those final touches and bringing it together.
Riddhi, Astha. Looks simple, but complicated भी है थोड़ी सी. मतलब ये क्या था दिमाग में जब तुम एक्चुअली ये कैरेक्टर निभा रही थी?
आई थिंक उतनी ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, उतनी ही सिंपल है जितनी हर लड़की होती है. ऑनेस्टली बहुत ज़्यादा रियल और बहुत द राइटिंग इज़ वेरी वेरी रियल. आप जब मैं परफॉर्म कर रही थी, मैं लाइनें बोल रही थी, बिल्कुल भी कभी भी एक मिनट के लिए भी नहीं लगा कि ये कैरेक्टर है. ऐसे कितनी कहानियाँ, मैं कितनी औरतों को जानती हूँ जो आस्था हैं, आस्था रह चुकी हैं, या यू नो दे ऑलरेडी आस्था इन देयर माइंड. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट द एग्जैक्ट जर्नी ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, बट जो उसकी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी है, जो यू नो वो वर्किंग वुमन भी है, वो होम मेकर भी है, वो बच्चों को भी देखती है, हस्बैंड, बाहर भी एक दुनिया है. एंड दैट इज़ एसेंशियली एवरी इंडियन वुमन. सो आई रियली, माई होमवर्क वॉज you know, just to observe every woman. There is a bit of Astha and a bit of you also in Astha. Every, I'm being honest. So I think मेरे लिए बहुत आसान था वो जब you know जब मैं portray कर रही थी. I just had so many stories already in my mind of so many women that I've met and I've heard. So yeah, it was a dream come true to do this.
And there's someone joining us from LA. Monica, hello. Can you hear us?
Hi.
I'm sure the team here is missing you.
Yes, we are.
Can you
I
hear
miss
us?
you all so much. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. We can.
Wonderful.
How are you doing? What time is it in LA right now? We've kept you awake.
It's 5 a.m. I've been.
We will just assume you're an early riser. But listen, Peeplika, this character actually is very close to Monica, is what I feel. Am I right or am I wrong?
I think you're right. Yeah. I mean, I think Piplika is the iteration of self that happens when you have no filter and often no fear. And I don't think Monica's that. I wish I was. But certainly I have elements of her in me in so many ways. There were moments when I was like, it's crazy how much art is imitating life. Even with this release, I'm like, every post, I mean, the PR team is doing such an amazing job. Ekta's so amazing. Sahir, you're so amazing. Summer, you're so amazing. I miss you all so much. I feel like I'm
I
going to
miss
cry.
you, girl.
I'm sure
Amazing.
you're being missed here. Listen, but tell me honestly, how much time did it take for you to say yes to this role?
Oh, no time at all. I think it took them more time to accept me. I wanted the role. I've come off of a long hiatus of not being seen as an actor, and I think sometimes the divine has a plan, and now I understand what the plan was. This was the role that I needed to come back for. Yeah, I can't even describe how nuanced and complex the storytelling is. I give it up to Sahir sir for being just the most amazing director. And yeah, every single person on the team made this kind of storytelling possible, because it was intense to say the least. Big eyes.
I can see Sahir so just smiling away like that in the corner. But okay, I'm going to give you one opportunity to ask one question to either of them standing here right now. Quickly, what would that question be and for whom?
One of the questions that I asked Sahir was, what is he so shocked he actually did? And what did he wish he had done better? And then a question I'd like to ask Riddhi. I don't know if I'm jumping or not. Can you still hear me?
We can hear you, yes. Yes, we can hear you.
No, it froze. Can you hear me?
Yes. Go on.
A question I ask Riddhi is what's like for her to share one standout moment from when she was shooting, a moment that she'll never ever forget, where she couldn't believe she was doing this.
Okay, who's starting first? Both of them point to each other.
One thing I will not forget.
हाँ मतलब रिद्धि
What is
आंसर
the
कर
one
दो.
thing? I remember a question to you. What is the one thing you wish that you had done, and one thing that you were shocked that you did? Two questions for you.
Why would you put such a question?
The thing,
Yeah.
I mean, I always wish I had shot it even better. I always wish we had just a little more time to do a few more nuances. That always happens. But what, quite literally, all of the actors brought shocked me at every point. Every day we did at least 3-4 scenes that were just shockingly great. And the things that all of you did in them were fantastic. We're seeing them slowly in the edits now and soon for everyone.
Okay, Riddhi.
I think that I actually take away a lot from this show. मैंने बहुत कुछ इस show में किया है. It's been almost like therapy. Acting anyway मेरे लिए बहुत therapeutic है. और बहुत सारा काम, बहुत सारे scenes ऐसे किए which I could not believe I have done with such ease. There's been effort, of course, before we came on set, but once the camera was rolling, so many places between her and me, between Suhas and me, Imad and me, with ma'am, so many things. Just being Astha so effortlessly, I honestly felt like I can't believe I've carried so many women with me. You know, that's the one thing that I have taken away. I don't know if it's making sense to anybody, but मुझे नहीं अंदाज़ा था कि मैंने अपनी नानी, अपनी मम्मी, अपनी चाची, अपनी आंटी सबको कैरी किया है अपने साथ और सबका कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं निकल रहा था, which to me was humbling in a way, you know. It was nice.
I
Do
hope that
answer
answered your question, Monica. And I'm not going to keep you waiting because I know 5 baje hain subah and you also need to rest. So thank you so much for joining us. Can we, yeah? Okay.
No, we don't want you to go.
Okay, we're asking you to wait for longer. Is that fine?
yeah.
Yeah?
have my
Okay,
time.
great. So we will keep her ताकि आप भी सवाल
going to
पूछ
say
पाएं
that
to
black
Monica.
coffee.
Yeah, but okay. Now coming back to Ekta ma'am, you know, I know it's a little difficult to choose between Peeplika and Astha because I know. But then फिर भी, what is that one thing that you would take from each of these characters?
I think when I read the book, I was clear that I don't think I'm an Asta at all. So there was nothing I could take from her. But there was a lot of empathy I felt for Asta. For her journey is so much of an internal journey, with the world looking at her in large, broad strokes as a perfect life, you know. In the 90s, a woman married with a nice husband, good house, doing well, upper middle class, is considered a great life, you know. But the internal journey, the emptiness, the lacunae, probably I could understand, if not real, and probably understand in her pain, but I probably couldn't relate to it. But as far as Peeplika goes, I mean, I think there's a lot of Peeplika in me, so I think. So I love her chutzpah, I love her attitude, I love the characters. I mean, the way we developed her, keeping in mind that from 90s to now the storytelling has changed. Even though it was written, the book was written many years ago, I felt that there should be a little more because it's after all a web show. So we added more layering to her. I think she's become more and more interesting. I mean, she is not exactly, she does not have boundaries and she can't be contained. And that's why her, Peeplika and Astha become two diametrically opposite women with similar problems, you know, emptiness.
Which is beautiful. I can't wait to watch this. Reminding you once again, 8th March, All Balaji, Z5, अब सुहास की तरफ. Okay. ये कैसा रहा? With two strong women there, of course, and you are a very important character in this show. So how was your experience? Tell us.
It's really, I'm on the Asta side of things, you know, even though the show is about Asta and Peeplika. And speaking of modern, it's funny because the idea of the modern man, I mean, we all know Indian men and what they're like. And you know, despite being on the outside very modern seeming, we carry, Indian men, carry some sort of like baggage that comes from society. I mean, the first thing is we don't realize that we're born in a very patriarchal society, and we're born with a sense of entitlement. And Hemant's character doesn't realize that either. And जैसे आस्था कह रही थी कि she saw, I mean, Riddhi was saying that like she saw, you know, every woman in Astha. I saw every man in Astha, and I was also calling upon, you know, uncles and my dad and my own like sexism when, you know, it caught me by surprise, because of course we all think we're very like, you know, progressive, liberal people.
You had those Chamko tube light moments, like I say.
Oh yeah, a
Like,
lot.
ting, oh my God, this is what I do in real life.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, there've been those moments in life, and I found myself calling upon all these moments.
Teacher. Monica wants to add something. Yes, we can see you raise your hand. Go for it.
Because I've never met Ekta yet in real life, and I'm so excited. Also, you look very beautiful tonight, hiring me to be in this show. But the whole world has seen Bombay Wives. That's what it's called, right? And how Neelam rejected the role. Everybody I know keeps talking about it. So I would like to know how many people turned down this role before it finally came to me.
And was it her?
Besides Neelam, obviously. So one person
turned down the
it.
role. I didn't offer it to her. I offered it first to you. I shot with Neelam after I offered it with you. He offered it to you. I swear.
That's a separate show, girl.
There I was an actor.
Yeah.
Okay then. Okay, but sorry, can't hear you.
I said I was dying to know after I saw that. Everybody's like, oh my God, the married woman. Did you see Bombay Wives?
Bollywood
Ekta
Wives.
spoke about it. Bollywood, what is it?
Okay, Ekta's
Yeah, anyway,
clarified that.
Bollywood.
It was offered to you first.
might-
Correct, Ekta? She's like itching to ask that question. Her hand was up like since almost 2 questions I asked. Nadra ma'am, ये आपके लिए कैसा रहा? मतलब bunch of talented people on stage इस वक्त. ये आपके लिए कैसा रहा journey, the married woman?
I was waiting for my turn for long. सोच रही थी मुझसे कब पूछेगी तो मैं क्या
मैं
करूँ?
Don't worry.
नहीं. I'm just joking. No, it was very nice. I don't do television generally. I do theatre, but I mean the call which I received from Samar and Sahir, and I was really excited कि चलो I'll do one television show, and वो भी एकता कपूर जी का show. तो I know you are a child. You will always be a child of mine, but everybody knows you. Everybody knows what you have done for the television and where you are. तो आपका शो और उसमें you know I'm performing, and first day I went, I met everybody. I didn't know anybody except of course Sahir. उनको भी मैं आधे, I think 80% of my work I kept calling Sahir Samar. I don't know why. ऐसे हाँ तो समर साहब ये नहीं चलिए, समर साहब ये नहीं, तो everybody used to इतना शायद इतनी ज़्यादा इज्जत भी नहीं करनी चाहिए कि वो मुझे कोई करेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है कि भाई ये साहिर है, ये समर नहीं है. किसी ने नहीं किया. फिर एक दिन किसी ने हिम्मत करके धीरे से मेरे कान में कहा, मैम इनका नाम साहिर है, तो मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं. खैर ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें बेवकूफ़ी की मैंने की. एक्टिंग क्योंकि मैं बचपन से कर रही हूँ तो एक्टिंग तो मैंने कर ही दी, जितनी मुझसे कही गई तो मैंने की. होप नेक्स्ट टाइम इससे भी ज़्यादा कुछ होगा तो और भी अच्छी छाप छोड़ पर हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अभी एकता ने कह दिया तो सबने कह दिया ना कि भाई क्या बात है. वो कह रही है
समर कौन और साहिर कौन बताइए जल्दी.
हाँ,
फटाफट
जल्दी बता देती
मीडिया
हूँ
को भी बता दीजिए. हाँ,
देखिए साहिर तो ये हैं और समर
that's Sahir and Samar sir, and let's hear it for everybody on stage, the married woman. तो अब मैं अपना सवालों का पिटारा थोड़ा बंद कर रही हूँ, and media you can start. अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल है आपके पास माइक आएगा.
Hi, my question.
यार बारी बारी से please.